How to create a Libertex account. First of all, open the Libertex app on your device. On the main screen, you will see two options, Sign Up and Login. Tap on Sign Up to start the registration process. You will now see fields to enter your email address and create a secure password. Fill in the details carefully to ensure your account is set up correctly. If you prefer a faster method, you can also tap on the Apple icon or Google account option for a quick sign-up process. This allows you to register without manually entering your email and password, making it faster and more convenient. After entering your information or using the quick sign-up option, tap the Continue button. Then check your email and verify your account by tapping on the verification link. Once verified, you can log in and start exploring all the trading features Libertex offers. Now you know how to create a Libertex account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.